For today's tutorial, we're going to make sausage pasta. So as always, we start off with an oil. Today I'm going to be using the garlic, so a little bit inside the pan, making sure that we preheat the pan slightly, which will take around 30 seconds. For the sausage meat, we're going to be using 50 grams exactly. The nice thing is it's already cooked, so it's a nice quick pasta to make. So I'm going to take my 50 grams, in we go inside with the pan. Give it a good stir. And this one is super simple and very, very nice. Then I will be adding my condiments. So I've got the vegetables here, which is going to be the olives, 10 grams, plus 15 grams of my capsicum. At this stage I'm just using everything, making sure that everything is being cooked, especially the capsicum. Don't forget, the olives are already cooked and cut, and so is the sausage. So at this stage, I'm going to place 1 ladle of our red tomato sauce and 1 ladle of our beautiful bechamel sauce. Then I will mix well. And as this begins to mix, next thing that I need to weigh out is my pasta. Take my pasta, using my portions. So this is again 185 gram portion and not too much sauce. Here we go. And for a sauce like this, what's really, really nice is to make it a little bit extra velvety. Actually, it's nice to have a little bit of cheese. So I've got 35 grams of mozzarella. I'm going to put this in at the very, very end. Just want to make sure I've got it prepared and ready. Now you can see that the sauce is beautifully pink and shiny. And that's exactly what you want. Now again, as always, we want to make sure that we bring it up to the boil, because we want to make sure we serve this mega, mega, mega hot. And you can hear it. That's at that time, and at that stage is when you can add your pasta. Once all of the pasta has been covered, then we add in the cheese. So the cheese goes in, and the cheese will melt very, very quickly. And the pasta is just covered in the sauce. Not too much, not too little. And there we are. And at this stage, once the cheese is just melted, now we're ready to serve the whole thing. Now I'm going to serve as always. Now I want to make sure this is nice and hot. Just keep it to one side for now. Then I have my tray, which is nice and ready. I have my bowl, my garlic bread. my cutlery. This will go in nice and gently, just be careful. And this is a little bit of a messy sauce, so we'll need to give that a little bit of a clean, but no issue at all. And don't forget, I have not added any additional condiments or any additional salt and pepper or things like this. Cheese is salty, sausage is salty, so it's enough seasoning in here, plus the olives, don't forget. And make sure this is all nice and clean for the guest, which is super important. And then we will finish, as always, the small sprig of basil, and we're ready to go.